Hey, what's going on, guys? I decided to come home this weekend, and like I was saying, I ordered the alternator and everything. Decided to come home because it's my mom's birthday, and I got here and it's already here. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing real quick. This trusty little knife. This ain't working. Oh, there we go. There's a 270 amp, I think, or 275, something like that. Check them out. This is literally one of the only alternators that are on the market for my car right now. It's pretty awesome. Little business card. Of course, they put another box in here. Hold up, guys. There it is. Here we go. This thing is beefy as snot. There we go. It's got a overdrive pulley on it. This thing, look at the size of this thing. I mean, I got big hands, so. Holy snot. Alright, well, I'm gonna get working on it out there, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright, guys, what's up? Just finished getting the stock alternator out of. You can tell the difference. I mean, this is the stock one right here. You can tell how much bigger the pulley is. If you could actually see in there, you could see how much bigger all the internals are. Everything's nicer all around. I mean, so I'm moving from a 105 to like a 270. So, big difference. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing in, and I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? Alternator's done. I want to show you guys base video, but my mom's inside taking a test for school online. Basically, this is how it is. Gone again. Shit happens. So I had to, I guess, glue it back on and bolt it because it's a bolt. Yeah, I'll show you guys the alternator real quick. All my wiring and crap. New alternator, fuse, battery, all that good stuff. New hot gauge, belt, the new alternator ground, all that. All this good crap down here. And as you know, represent. Then as you know, everything goes back here into the yellow top as usual, and then I moved up to the 500 last weekend, so the lights are working on my distro again, so it's gonna light up real nice and blue at night and make a video eventually. I'm running a 3.8 volt system right now. The alternator's still charging the cap up because the old alternator couldn't keep up. So right now it's flashing between 13.8, 13.9. Eventually it should be 14.4, but we'll see what it levels out at. I'm not exactly sure. We'll figure it out. All right, peace out.